Hello, everyone, and welcome back, because today we're talking about the kind of English people actually use every single day.
Yes, Emma, not textbook English, but real English that helps learners survive conversations without fear.
Many learners tell me they understand English when listening, but speaking still feels scary and stressful.
That happens because they don't practice simple daily sentences enough in real situations.
Exactly. And today we want to show them that daily English is not hard, just familiar.
Let's start with something everyone hears, but many learners answer awkwardly. How's it going?
Learners often freeze because they think they must explain their whole life story.
But in real life, you can simply say, "It's going well," or "Not bad, thanks."
You use this sentence with coworkers, classmates, neighbors, or even strangers casually.
I remember a learner who always answered this question with long, nervous explanations.
Yes, and once he learned short answers, his confidence improved immediately.
Another daily sentence learners struggle with is, "What's up?"
Many beginners think it means something serious, but it's just a casual greeting.
You can answer with "not much," or "just working," or even "all good."
It's often used between friends, colleagues, or people you see regularly.
Now let's talk about a sentence learners need but avoid using. I'm not sure.
Many learners feel embarrassed to say this, but native speakers use it all the time.
You can say, "I'm not sure, let me check," and it sounds honest and natural.
This sentence is useful at work, in shops, or during conversations when you don't know something.
I once met a learner who pretended to understand everything instead of saying this sentence.
And that caused more confusion later, which could have been avoided easily.
Another powerful daily sentence is, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Learners often think repeating means failure, but it actually shows confidence.
You use this sentence when someone speaks fast or uses unfamiliar words.
For example, during a phone call, this sentence saves the conversation.
Let's move to something very common in daily life. "I'll be there in a minute."
Learners sometimes translate directly from their language and sound unnatural.
But this sentence is perfect when you are almost ready or arriving soon.
You can use it at home, work, or when meeting friends.
Another sentence learners hear daily but don't always use correctly is, "That makes sense."
This sentence shows understanding and agreement politely.
For example, when someone explains something, you can say, "Oh, that makes sense."
It helps conversations flow smoothly and shows engagement.
Now, Emma, let's talk about "I'll think about it."
This sentence is useful when you don't want to say yes or no immediately.
You can use it when someone offers something or asks for a decision.
It sounds polite and thoughtful, not rude or uncertain.
Learners often overuse yes because they don't know this sentence.
Exactly, and that creates pressure later.
Another daily sentence learners love once they learn it is, "It depends."
This is perfect when the answer is not simple.
For example, "Can you come tomorrow?" And you reply, "It depends on my schedule."
It sounds natural and flexible.
Let's talk about daily English at work now.
One useful sentence is, "I'm working on it."
This sentence shows progress even if the task is not finished.
You can say it to your boss, co-workers, or clients.
Another common one is, let me double check.
This sentence is helpful when you want to be accurate.
It sounds professional and careful.
Now let's move into daily conversations at home.
A sentence learners use often is, I'm tired.
Yes, but you can expand naturally by saying, I'm tired after work.
This helps you sound more fluent without complicated grammar.
Another common sentence is, what are you doing?
Learners sometimes forget to use it naturally in daily life.
You can use it casually with family or friends.
Now let's talk about shopping English.
A very useful sentence is, I'm just looking.
Learners often panic when shop assistants approach them.
This sentence politely says you don't need help yet.
Another shopping sentence is, do you have this in another color?
This sentence helps avoid pointing or silence.
It makes shopping conversations comfortable.
Now, transport English is another big fear area.
Yes, learners worry about speaking incorrectly and missing buses or trains.
A helpful sentence is, does this bus go to the city center?
Simple, clear, and very effective.
You can also say, how long does it take?
This sentence works everywhere.
Now, let's talk about social conversations.
A great sentence is, what do you do?
Learners often overthink this, but it simply means asking about someone's job.
You can answer with, I work as a teacher, or I'm a student.
Another sentence is, that sounds interesting.
It shows interest, even if you don't know much about the topic.
This keeps conversations alive.
Now, Emma, let's talk about mistakes learners make.
One big mistake is trying to sound perfect instead of natural.
Yes, daily English is about connection, not perfection.
Another mistake is memorizing long sentences they never use.
Short, daily sentences repeated often build real fluency.
I've seen learners improve quickly just by practicing these sentences daily.
They stop translating and start speaking naturally.
Confidence comes from familiarity, not intelligence.
And daily conversation is the fastest way to build that familiarity.
So if you're listening now, don't wait to feel ready.
Use one simple sentence today, then another tomorrow.
That's how real English speakers are made.
English becomes easy when it becomes daily.
Thank you for listening and keep speaking, even if your English feels small today.
Because small daily English becomes fluent English faster than you think.